This is our swine genetic. Today I will be teaching you on on I will teaching you today on how to keep records on your farm, to know expenses to spend on your farm, and ensure this will be a record keeping for your farm, so you know if you're making profit or you're not making profit. And you have a lot of disadvantage whereby your worker, they will know what they are doing day by day, and by checking the record of this book you can know what's happening in your farm just by opening your book after your worker are done with record keeping. First, as you can see there, as you can see there, this is the symbol or short code, I like to call it. Symbols I used to represent where I want to be keeping record in my farm. First on the list is a pig group. Second on the list is feed, eggs, and death cost. Let me just give you a short story today. I called the farm and asked if we had tetracycline, but my worker told me there was no tetracycline. After buying tetracycline, and I noticed when I got to the farm there was tetracycline, because we're no longer keeping record. Your staff would just give you anything from their head, and you too, you are busy, you're not keeping record, you don't know what you buy or what you need to buy. So on the list here is A. The symbol A will representing grower, B finisher, C sow, D piglet, E boar reserve, F will be representing slaughter pig, boar, G will be representing pig sow, and H will be representing gestation pig. That's on pig group. While on feed, you can see G is representing grower feed, F is representing finisher feed, S is representing sow feed, L for local feed, M for lactating feed, and K for gestation feed. On H, C represent cough, D represent diarrhea, I represent injury, V represent vaccine, and T for treatments. On death cause, W is representing weak, S is representing sick, A is representing accidents. These are the drugs we have on the farm. And this is Ivimec. If I put a star bar here, it means this Ivimec is about to finish. So when I replace, I will use a red barrel to write a red star on the top, which means there is Ivimec there and it had been replaced. So coming here on the 20th of December 2025, that's the date. You start with this is the record keeping of that day. As you can see, the feed there, F is representing 9 kg, which you can see here. F is slaughter pig boar. I have 4 slaughter pig. We normally give them 2 kg, and while I was taking record, it's supposed to be 8 kg, but they gave the pig was overfed 9 kg. That was a loss. When they start taking record, everything will go in order. The D is representing piglets. The piglet which has just been weaned, they've been given 6.5 kg for the day. They are underfed because there are 7 piglets just weaned. I think it's 2 weeks now being weaned, so they're supposed to take nothing less than 14 kg of feeds, of winner feeds. Also here you can see A, that's my gra animal. They were fed 10 kg, and that was underfed. They're supposed to be fed up to 18 kg daily. 10 kg is underfed. E is representing my boa reserve. I have 2 boa reserve. I have a large white boa for mating, and I have a landrace boa for mating. They've been given 10 kg. So that's the record. Because of time, we will be going to eggs. Once again, this is our swine genetics. You can see the eggs there. We gave 19 animal treatments on multivitamin. You can see D on the group of animal. D is representing piglets. So the weaned pig have been given, the 7 weaned pig have been given multivitamin. A, the 9 gra, they've been given multivitamin. F, the slaughter pig boa, one of them was given multivitamin. The birds, there was no record of birds. There was no record of deaths on the 20th, so there was none. Deaths, there was no record of deaths. On expenses, feed, we bought feed for 50,000 and transportation was 1,000, so that was 51,000 expenses. On sales, we didn't make any sales, so it's none. While on breeding, the large white boa not yet made the large white sow, because they've been put together but not yet been made on the time of keeping this record. The rest, because of the writings for my worker, I'm not going to explain that, but what I will take your mind to is the record keeping for 22. For the 22, you can see the record keeping for the 22. The dates. Right now, we no longer putting dates, as you can see up there, just to save page. We no longer putting dates, bets, or sales. We just only putting records for what's been done in the farm. What's been done in the farm is just only what we'll be taking record on. This is our swine genetics, and this is a record keeping on the farm. It's a record keeping. So record keeping for our swine genetics, and you too can emulate this in your farm and keep a record, and also making your boys to tag along with you. Yes.